Earn extra money each month through affiliate marketing. Running into a traffic jam on your way home from work can be a real pain in the you-know-what, but running into a traffic jam while you're actually at work is the best thing that could happen to you. Well, that is, if your job is an affiliate marketer. Watch this video for helpful information on how you can become a successful affiliate. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you, is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build a content-rich affiliate website. It is good practice to have content which is in line with the merchant's product offering. This ensures that your visitors are interested in the products your merchant sells, which helps you to send more customers to your merchant. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a website with significant numbers of visitors every day. Offering coupons can be an effective tool to attract more and more customers. It is even better if you can offer a variety of coupons redeemable on your merchant's site, as this practice can increase your income significantly without any major investment. If you get enough traffic and push it toward purchasing any product, you can become a very successful affiliate marketer. It's not going to be an easy job by any stretch, especially when starting out. Just use the information you learned here to help pave your road. Eventually, you will start to build traffic and start to earn commissions. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.